Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Audi of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2023 Audi Q4 E-Tron 50 Premium Plus. Very, very nice car. Oh, got Sonos sound. Sticker price on this one, as tested, $64,550. Look at the interior in this. Wow. Of course, you have backup sound. Go right into drive. Perfect. All right. So, I do like how Audi did these switches where they're toggle switches, but they're really, really nice to use. Pano roof. Wow. Open pore wood trim. Just look how unique this interior is. This is something just unique. I haven't been in an interior like this except for the E-Tron GT. Alright, we are in dynamic mode, 93% battery, which equates to 238 miles of range. Let's go through some driving dynamics. So, again, just like the E-Tron GT, never sat in one of these until now. What do I think? It is good. Plenty of torque. Brake pedal feel. It's actually really, really good. I just turned on regenerative braking onto level 3. At least we'll get a good opportunity to do an acceleration from a stop. You can see plenty of power to merge onto the highway. It's not blow your socks off fast like a Taycan or a RS E-Tron, but plenty of power to get out of its own way, that is for sure. And of course, being an electric vehicle, all the torque is right there. Brake pedal feel is actually phenomenal. Just overall driving dynamics, you look at the shape of this car and you think, hey, it's not going to drive that well. Brake pedal's very progressive. It does drive well. It really does. Visibility is absolutely phenomenal. Nice is at the bottom of the accelerator pedal, there's what you wouldn't normally be kick down mode that engages boost. So you, it's it is just really, really quick. Now going into some corners here. How does it... Actually pretty level. Wow. Pretty stable feeling. I am impressed. Because like I said, you look at this thing and you're like, okay, it's going to drive top heavy. It really doesn't. Seeing how you have all the weight down low, it's actually pretty good. You have auto hold, of course. And then just driving in traffic, it's good. Look at all this storage. Do like the cabin in here. This is a really nice design. Fun car. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Once I find my lens cover, there it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.